Here's how to maintain your vacuum's brush rolls. First, separate the nozzle. Then, remove the brush roll garage. Use scissors to cut away any hair or string that have wrapped around the brush roll. Remove debris from the bristle brush. Pull the soft roller out. Wipe debris off of the soft roller. If needed, you can clean the soft roller using water only. Allow the soft roller to air dry for at least 24 hours before reinstalling it. Reinsert the soft roller in from the left side first, and then push it in from the right side. Reattach the brush roll garage lid by securely clicking it into place on both sides.